Welcome to What Works and What Works Even Better. So if you're that patient that you just can't floss, your hands don't fit, or whatever the reason is that you can't floss, you have to have a way to clean your teeth, because if not, you're leaving 40% of the bacteria that can cause gingivitis, that can cause cavities, and a lot of other health issues. So let me show you a few ways. These guys are Proxy Brushes. These work kind of like a toothpick, but they're made out of rubber, and you just poke them in between the teeth and you get rid of all the plaque that way. So that's one way. You can use these guys. You can floss all the top, all the bottom, and it's super simple. You don't have to stick your fingers in your mouth. They work really well. And then the last thing are these little Opal Picks. You can get these on Amazon, and all you do is go in between your teeth like a toothpick, but it's not made out of wood, so it's not going to splinter and hurt your gums. But it's another way to get rid of the plaque in between your teeth. Let me know if any of those ways work for you.